Hi guys and girls, I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic. I hope that you all are following the precautionary measures, washing hands on a regular basis, and yes, wearing masks while you all are out. Okay fine, so here it is that I've done my face, and the only two things I need to do today is my eyes and my lips, and I've done the basic thing, like whatever I do generally, what you people have seen me doing, that I moisturize, prime, foundation, concealer, contour. If I feel like baking it, then bake, or I just set it with compact powder and blush, and that's it. I did not highlight it. I'll be doing it at the very end. So without any further ado, come on, let's get started. Okay, now so I might look really funny because this tape is smaller than this one, and yeah, it doesn't even matter much, so I need to just move on with my eye makeup. Now here I need to conceal my eyelids. I'll be using Lakme All-in-One Pancake Foundation Compact Concealer. I'll be using this as my concealer, and I need to conceal my eyelids, and we're doing this. Followed by, I just need to set it down with my sponge. Okay fine, so now that I have done already with the concealer, I've just blended, and now I'll be using Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. And with a brush, I'll be taking just a little bit and just make sure I just set it down really good. Okay, so I've set my eyes, and here today I'll be using Beauty Glazed Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow, and here it is. I'll be going with either this shade or this shade, maybe this shade. So come on, let's start. Just have taken it. On this, I'll be using a very light shade, maybe this one, and I'll just blend it down. That's it. Okay friends, I'll be using the very same concealer for this, and I need to cut my crease for that. Okay, so now that I've set it, what I'll be using is that I'll be using 12 color face and body paint, and I'll be using the color white, and these are the brushes. This is one of the brushes I got from this paint. I will be doing, I'll make sure to have a very clear white base. I think this is perfect. Now just to do this. Okay, so now that I have done this, I will be setting it with the very same Lakme Rose Powder. Okay, so using a black color, I'll be just giving it some cow prints. It looks like that. Yeah. Okay, so here it is, and I'll be using Elle water resistant black outliner. I'll just line it. Now I need to take this thing out first. Oh, okay, not bad. And I decided to go with this pink, and I'll be using it to line my under eye. And using the very same process, I'll be doing this particular eye too. So how do you look? I decided to go for this very funny one. I know it looks a bit silly, but I found it a bit cute. Now moving on to the lips, I decided to go with a black bold lip. Now here is the irony. I do not own any black lipstick, but what I can do is that I can use the very same black liner I used for doing my wings. I can use it as a lip liner, and I'll just fill it up, and if I feel like mattifying it, I'll be mattifying it with a black eyeshadow. It is a filled it with, I think I need to go with the black eyeshadow to mattify it down. Alright, mattified. Yeah, I look cool. The only thing I need now is I need to do my highlighting. Yep, and for that I decided to go with this particular shimmer shadow. I'll just mix with this one rather. I'll just mix these two together and I'll just do this thing. Oops. Let me do a mole and see how it just goes. And, you know, a little bit of experimenting with a feature, nothing wrong. I usually have a mole over here. It's light brown, so it's like almost not even visible. I don't know whether it's visible to people or not, but I have a mole over here. But let me do this if I can. Yeah. Like, I don't know, let's yeah, that's sexy. Never seen someone like me who is complimenting your very own looks. But yeah, there's nothing wrong in loving yourself, nothing wrong in self-love. And here with this I come to the complete look of mine. Here is the final look. I've kept my hair open and that's it. If you feel like you can just give it a bun, go for a braid or whatever, your hair, you can do whatever you feel like. And yeah, with this I come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end with your patience, and if you have watched it till this, please do subscribe to my channel and please give a hit if you liked it, and please do share it with everybody who loves makeup. I'll be meeting you guys next Thursday this week. Till then, stay good, stay fit, stay safe. Bye.